Hello guys, welcome to my channel Radioactivity Facts. If you are new to this channel, then please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will never miss any updates from me. So without any further delay, let's start this video.
Science is nothing but perception, and this theory is used during many discoveries. Some inventions took several years to develop, and few of them evolved in very less time. Sometimes a genuine invents, sometimes by chance, not by choice. Some of the greatest discoveries have been made by the accidents. You can call them timeless inventions, and they are widely present in our society. If these accidents were never occurred, then our life would have been very different from what it is actually now. Here is the list of accidental inventions. You won't believe that they are someone's mistake. So let's start this. Number 7. Microwave oven. Microwave oven was also created by someone's mistake. The story is what that the existence of theories of radio waves was as early as 1864. James Maxwell predicted the futuristic use of radio waves in his famous equations. After the end of World War II in 1945, Percy Spencer, an engineer, was working on a radar-related research project. One day, he realized that the chocolate in his pocket was melting while he was standing near the machine. He accidentally noticed it, and after that, he put popcorn into the machine, and after a while, they started to pop. The end result was the revolutionary device that became popular worldwide. Number 6. Radioactivity. I think you know about it. It is the emission of ionizing radiation or particles caused by the spontaneous disintegration of atomic nuclei. In 1896, radioactivity was discovered by a German scientist, Henry Becquerel, while researching on phosphorescent materials. These materials have a unique feature, glowing in dark after exposure to light. He performed many experiments using the uranium salts, where he found invisible radiation and initially called them Becquerel rays. After that, he worked with many scientists and revealed many properties of radioactive materials. The discovery of radioactive materials was future used to invent polonium and radium. Number 5. I think you know about Xray, but the story of the discovery of the Xray is quite fascinating. In 1895, a German physicist, Wilhelm Röntgen, was performing his daily experiment and noticed a strange result. He saw that cathode rays were passing through a solid screen and falling on fluorescent screen. To test it, he took the skeletal view of his wife's hand. Röntgen was always interested in finding the properties of cathode ray tube and discovered the X-ray accidentally. Number 4. Pacemaker is an electrical device used to regulate the beating of the heart. It was built by a Canadian electrical engineer, John Hobbs, in 1950. He was researching on hypothermia and was trying to invent a machine that restores body temperature by using heating effect of radio frequency. After some time, a revolutionary idea strikes his mind, that is, create a device that can use when heart stops beating due to cooling. Since its invention, it saved thousands of lives. Number 3. Super glue. Cyanoacrylate, which is commonly known as super glue, was discovered in 1942. During World War II, a team of scientists led by Harry Coover performed several experiments in search to make clear plastic. They failed in their experiments. A strange compound called cyanoacrylate formed while experiment, but they never considered it. 6 years later, he accidentally formed it again. Then he observed that the product formed is capable to join many things without any heat or external force. In 1958, he patented it and started commercial production. Number 2. Botox. It is a drug for botulism used medically to treat certain muscular conditions and cosmetically to remove wrinkles by temporarily paralyzing facial muscles. It has side effects also. In 1987, Alster and Jean Carsters were using a small dose of neurotoxin, that is Botox, to treat several eye-related disorders. In the starting, they failed to complete their goals, but they noticed an interesting side effects on facial muscle. They saw that all wrinkles of the victim magically disappeared. Since the invention, this method is used by millions of people around the world. The global market of the Botox is expected to reach over 3 billion by 2018. Number 1. Dynamite. I think you know about dynamite. It is a high explosive consisting of nitroglycerin mixed with an absorbent material. But let's come into our topic. Do you know that Alfred Nobel, who established the Nobel Prize, also discovered dynamite? In the 1860s, nitroglycerin was a popular form of explosive, but it was completely unstable in liquid form. Many researchers have tried to make it stable, but every time it unexpectedly blows up. One day, Nobel accidentally dropped it on the ground and saw a miracle. Then he made a mixture of nitroglycerin with Cassie-Gore to make it more stable. From that day, dynamite is produced at mass scale.